cute boy. Hi. You're so cute. Oh, mommy. Oh. Hey guys, Kenzie definitely tricked me into driving the side-by-side because it is not as fun as driving the four-wheeler, and I stand by that. She'll deny that forever, I promise, but I just wanted to share with you guys my trip to Illinois, where I'm from. I got to spend a lot of time with family. Here we're going to repair a barbed wire fence. And pretty much just a lot of just hanging out and walking the dogs, really, so enjoy. I lost him. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. No, it's loose. Where'd he go? There he is. Ooh. Can't find him. Go out.
Yeah. No. 4. No. Goddamn. Yeah. Number 3.
Yeah, they are. Oh, just died on barbed wire. Now, I know what you're thinking. If you're watching this, you're thinking, why is she recording the whole time while everybody else is working? I swear I actually helped repair the fence. I didn't just record the whole time. I just wanted to capture a little bit of it because it was super fun. But it did help.
lines?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Or do it this way on this side. That's too big right there.
Can't see your hair.
Waiting for someone. Here we go. It's too big.
Coda's trying to rearrange your pillows. What are you doing, my baby girl? What are you doing? Oh, Coda's pissed. Joey said, oh, shut up. Joey said, oh, shut up. Hey, hey, hey. Come here. You guys are cute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, he wants the ball. He wants the ball. He wants the ball. Okay. Oh. Notice, notice. Where'd you go, Joey? Where is he? Where is he going? Where's he go? Poor Joey. It's a poor baby. Yes. What's going on, Dakota? What are you doing? What are you doing? I love you. Joey! Oh, I just love her so much. I do. I love her. Oh, Cora! Oh, she's crazy. Go to the crazy girl. Joey! What's in there, puppies? I mean, that's gotta be a really big mole. Or is it just like a cluster of them? Do they live in those, like, the mounded part of it? Like, Joey found something, Mommy. I mean, why are you letting him get it?
Grew up.
Every time we come and visit, it's usually in March or October, so it's a perfect time for us to have some sort of bonfire. Whenever we go in October, that's my aunt's birthday, so we always have like a little weenie roast, but this time we got to have a big burn pile because my uncle had just cleared a bunch of brush and like small trees and stuff from the pasture, so fire got huge. Of course, we have the one person who's always super interested in keeping the fire going. But once it got really big, it started blowing back on the cars, and I got super paranoid because I had Coda in the car because she's like terrified of fire. So I backed my car up and I drove off like the main path and heard like a super loud popping noise, and I thought that my tire had burst, but thank God it didn't, and there was nothing. I don't know what the heck I hit. There was something metal over there that I had hit, but luckily there was no damage to my car at all. So I learned my lesson of driving off of paths and also parking close to giant fires. So now I know for the future. Joey, are you a scared baby? Are you a scared boy?
I don't know if he's cold or if he's
Quite well.
scared.
Oh,
All his
goodness.
experiences.
Emma, this looks like a rap album cover for you. Drop a new album. Yeah, maybe. What do you think, Joey?
Yeah, that's. I'm just looking out.
Joey.
Another one that's sweeter.
You can tell mom and dad.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
Those guys were good as gold. We did last night and today. We started some kind of new lesson. We never got it. Yeah, we get the bus.
bathroom and, yeah. Hey, Jonathan, get out of there. Jonathan.
Pageland,
Pageland.
how you doing, guys? If you wanna know what's coming up next.
I got the family edition of Cards Against Humanity whenever I was in town, and some kids write answers to the cards, and so all of them are about like poop and farts and like stuff like that, and so it's extra funny listening to my Meemaw read these off, so enjoy.
I love wildcats. They may be bigger, they may be faster, but we've got a secret weapon, a Pokemon named Jim. We've got a secret weapon, a couch that eats children. They may be faster, but we've got a secret weapon, a huge honking carrot. I hope that's right. And we've got a horse with no legs. We've got a secret weapon, having too many fingers. We've got a secret weapon, diarrhea.
Diarrhea all
A secret weapon, a chicken that has pickles as horns and a butt the size of a bus.
Okay.
It's the family edition of. I'm glad they kept poop in there. What's it called again?
So you have to pick.
I have to pick
Cards
one.
Against Humanity.
The best answer, and then whoever she picks gets a black card.
Let's see.
Kind of rotates around.
We've got a secret weapon,
A lot of good choices.
Diarrhea.
That's what I was going to
Definitely.
say. That's what I was going to say. We got diarrhea.
A couch that eats
Winner.
children. Diarrhea?
That was my card.
Yep.
Everybody else is eating.
Oh my God.
I feel like I need to give some backstory on Penny the dog in the last clip. She was rescued by my Aunt Chrissy, which is whose lap she was sitting in, from this old lady's house, who unfortunately passed away in her home. And poor little Penny was under her bed, just like terrified of everyone, would not come out for anybody but my Aunt Chrissy. And she had, unfortunately, a broken leg from the older woman who stepped on her, and then she just never took her to the vet, so her poor little leg healed funny. And whenever my aunt rescued her, she did take her to the vet to see if there was anything that they could do, and they said that honestly, like, as long as she's not in any pain, which she does not seem to be and never seemed to be, like, once it healed, that she'd be fine. And really the best thing to do would have been like amputation, or not the best thing to do, but that was just another option. And she just didn't want to put her through that because she's already an older dog anyways. So she's a happy little girl around just Aunt Chrissy. She loves Aunt Chrissy and will protect her with her freaking life. But she is a funny little gremlin dog. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did even make it this far, it's just a clip of the puppies. We were on our way home at this point. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys stick around for the next one.
He's a tiny puppy. Oh, she's a crazy girl. She's a crazy girl. You come get this one, Coda? You come get this one? on. You can do it, Coda. You can do it. Go on. Coda, you gotta get this one. Tiny puppy.